Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to fix the problem of we received, as we do always encourage people to leave their comments so that we can answer your question. So if you leave the comments, we can do a tutorial specifically pointing on your problem. So we received a comment saying, "Hi, bro. This is the guy who did what? Who sent in some sent him a question. He said, "Hi, bro. When I press Ctrl C to save and then enter, it says error writing to this permission." So you can see it says permission denied. This guy, it simply means he doesn't have any permissions to this folder, so he should use sudo to do that. If it doesn't give him permission, also he has to give permission to the file. So we don't have now this file on the folder, but I'm gonna show you how he can do that, or how you can do it. Mr. King Khan, you can see what the example we're gonna do. It's gonna help you to see, and also other people to see, if they bump into a permission problem. So we're gonna do create a file somewhere, then we give it some permissions. So, or to do anything on the file, you have to be sudo first, and sometimes you can see me writing some commands. I'm sudo already, then you wouldn't understand why mine work and yours do not work. So simply means I'm sudo and you not sudo, or you did not give permissions to that thing, that folder or file. So you can see the file is in etc. Let me see if we can find that file in etc. If we don't find it, simply means it's not there. If you click etc, then you can see etc proxychains.conf. So we can look for that proxy. We can look for that prox, if you can get it. Prox chain. Okay, we have that file. You can see the file now. We have it. So let's try to see if we can go to that file and vi that file and try to do something to that file. Good enough, we have it. I'm gonna go and try to get you something like a terminal. When I click on the terminal, it's here. We can always cd to etc tc. No, we can vi to that. It's going to say vi to etc, and after etc we say /. Let me get into the YouTube and see what he is looking for. It's gonna be that proxy chain. Gonna be proxy. Okay, proxy chain. It's gonna be proxy chains.conf. Okay, you enter. Once we vi on that, because him when he does something here, things do not work well. He say when I change something and I want to do something, then things don't work. So I wanna go to this comment here and put a dot here. A dot should work for me. Say escape, then we say insert, which we're gonna say dot. Or when we put a dot, then we're gonna say okay, shift, we're gonna say qw. Okay, we enter and say do not edit. You say no uneditor command qw quit. Okay, didn't work. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say wq, yes, right, whatever, then we enter. You can see we were allowed to do that. if you're not allowed to do that, can you see this? This hash means that I'm sudo. So if you're not sudo, you're not going to be allowed to edit that thing. So what you do sudo, and they say vi. If you're using nano, it's okay. I'm using vi, etc, then / proxy, then chains.conf, then you enter. Then you can see everything I saved it. So you can see after entering, I'm gonna also write another thing, said King Khan. I'm gonna put your name here, King Khan. So when I put his name here, I'm gonna save by also doing this. I say WQ, enter. So if you can't still with sudo, what you do, you say sudo chomd minus capital R, then you say 777, then you say etc. So you're giving now permissions to the what, to the file, so that you can write, read, whatever, or everything. So you can say / proxy chains, then you can see conf, then you say enter. Once you enter, it simply means you've given the permission for read, write, and execute on that file. So once you with that, there's no way that you cannot read, write, and stuff. So now you can go back and say sudo vi /etc /proxy chains.conf, enter. Once you enter, you can see King Khan, so we can say escape I, we insert, then we're gonna delete him here and go back, you delete him here and delete all those things After that, we're gonna save our file. So with we saving we save escape, then colon shift colon W, it's gonna be WQ. This you force that. After forcing that, simply means we are about to save, then you enter. After entering, you can see everything is working. Use the 2 steps I've given you to do that. You must be sudo, then you vi, or you must be sudo, then you give permissions to this file by writing this chmod space minus R, capital R, then space 777 space /etc /proxychains.conf. Then after that, then you're gonna be able to write, read, and execute that file. So to show you that it worked, also we can go back again. I'll just recall the command here and say vi. You can see that it's already there. Whatever I put, it's there. So whatever you wanna change, make those changes, then you can stop. So you know the problem is, like now some people are using vi, some people are using nano. You must use what you feel you're comfortable with. A lot of programmers, they use nano. I never even touched nano. I don't like it because I'm not used to it. So they all do the same thing, but depending on what is easier for you, whatever easier for you, use the tool which is easier for you. As long as you get the same results, you're gonna be cool. So Mr. King Khan, we managed to fix your problem. Please follow the steps below, the steps, everything we did, then you're gonna be able to use your proxy chains well. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. This tutorial, we dedicated it to the guy who came to our YouTube channel and asked a question, so he wanted some help, so we did that. We did give him that what he really wanted. So I'm bringing here on the thing here to show you what he asked. Whatever I asked is what we did, and now he's gonna be able to do his stuff so well. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.